I'm going to show how to reattach this garden hose together. Let's get started on it. And I picked up this one. I believe is kind of a compression to join the two hoses together, and then this one, piece of brass with two hose clamps. The hose will go on here one part, and one part will go on here, and then the hose clamps will go on. So and those, what I'm gonna do is clean up. This is really ragged, and I'm looking. I got some use a utility knife and cut this off in the good part of the hose. And I'm cutting on my workbench, which is all banged up anyways. And if I was working on a surface that was good, I'd take a piece of lumber that I didn't really care about and cut it. So I'm gonna carefully cut this. Cow, that's some tough stuff. I think it's got some reinforcement in it. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. So then, this might be too large. I might have to do is get some hot water and soak this hose in it to make it more soft and pliable to get that on there. Let's see if this one will work. Unscrew that on the hose. And I think same thing there. Oh, there we go. That goes in there. Sure that's pushed in all the way. And just thread this nut on. Oh, whoops, that's not good. Let's see here. Try that again. Yeah, that's got to go on quite a ways. I think this hose is too rigid to go on very far, so I'm going to need to warm that up, get that more pliable. And then here's the other end of the hose, and I'm going to take, and that's all jagged too. I want a nicer end on that, so I'll cut this off. Oh, that is some tough hose. Wow. And I'll get some warm water. Instead of hot water, I'm going to use a hair dryer to heat up this hose. The hair dryer is really loud, so I'll do this off camera. But I'm going to put it on hot and the high setting and heat it up for 30 seconds and then see if it'll go on here. Got this heated up. There we go. Get to put that all the way on. Then thread the nut, tighten that down. Really strong. Now I need to put on this other side. Then I'll have a repaired hose. I was going to use this repair, this piece of brass. I'd heat this up probably 30 seconds with the hair dryer, then push that in all the way up to right there. Then just take a hose clamp. I put it about right in the middle there, and then just tighten this up with a screwdriver. And then put the other side of the hose on here. Put this other hose clamp on, tighten that up, and that would be a good repair. I'm going to actually use this repair. This one's a little bit more streamlined and easier to take apart if I need to. This one be a little bit more permanent. This could be taken apart too. I would just probably, if I needed to, I would cut the hose. If if it was difficult to get out. Because this is kind of ribbed, once that goes into that hose, it's probably going to be pretty hard to take out. And I heated up this other side, slid it in, and then tightened both these up really tight, and hose repaired. Be sure to check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.